Welcome to another Monarch Snapshot video. I'm Jason Martin, a Technical Innovation Product Manager here at the American Printing House for the Blind. Today we're working on setting a language profile in Braille grades.
Main menu. Braille editor, TBRF.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and to our options menu and find our language profile. And then we're going to set our Braille reading grade, literary Braille reading grade, and our math reading grade. So we're going to hit space and
Options menu. Configure language profiles.
And then we're going to hit enter and then enter on primary language profile.
Configure language profile.
And I'm scrolling down.
Text-to-speech engine. Voice, English, US. Speech rate, 40%. Preferred Braille grade for entry, literary Braille. Preferred Braille grade for display, literary Braille. Computer Braille table, English, US Louis. Literary Braille table, English, Australia pre-unified Duxbury grade 2.
So the literary Braille table
English
is what I'm looking for in English.
Literary Braille table. English, Australia pre-unified Duxbury. English UEB Duxbury grade 1. English UEB Duxbury grade 2.
And I select English UEB Duxbury grade 2.
Configure language profile. Literary Braille table, English UEB Duxbury grade 2.
Now all literary Braille is in UEB 2. Preferred
Braille type for math.
Braille type for math. It's the same thing. I hit enter and I space down to UEB and hit enter instead of Nemeth. This has been another Monarch Snapshot video from your friends at the American Printing House for the Blind and Humanware.